Hi, estate owners! I'm your property specialist, Miss Jessica Wintakla. And for today's touring, I'm going to show you our spacious one-bedroom unit here at Uptown Park Suites, located here at Uptown Bonifacio, Global City. And this one-bedroom unit has a total of 65 square meters. Start na natin ang tour. So, tara! Upon entering to your unit, on my right side is the kitchen area. Actually, on this part, you can put a shoe rack. Actually, malawak siya eh. And then, over here is the provision for your refrigerator. And right here is, of course, your stainless steel sink and your granite countertop and your two induction cooker. And of course, we have here your range hood. Ayan. So wala pa ng kuryente. Ayan yan. So yan. Napagana din natin siya. Ayan. Yan. So pag i-off siya. And then, yan. So ito ang ating exhaust. And we have your upper cabinets and lower cabinets. Maganda siya kasi marami tayong storage, especially sa kitchen, para yung mga utensils natin is naka-keep talaga siya dito sa mga drawers. And of course, ang nagustuhan ko rin dito sa kitchen area is the kitchen island. Dito, pwede kayong maglagay ng mga high chairs. So, kung gusto nyo lang mag-relax or mag-wine habang ina-enjoy nyo yung view dito sa Mitsukoshi. So, ang ganda ng vibe niya kasi alam mo na nasa city ka talaga or nasa BGC ka. Especially at night, makikita nyo dyan is napaka-liwanag talaga ng view natin dito. Lalo na dito sa Mitsukoshi. Right across lang siya ng Mitsukoshi. And of course, ang nagustuhan ko rin dito is the floor-to-ceiling glass. So, it will give you natural light, especially in the morning. So, yan, babukas mo lang yung curtains. And, yeah, hindi tayo tinipid sa window, guys. So, ang daming windows. Ayan. Kagandahan din dito is naka-double glaze na din siya. So, pag nakabukas siya, maririnig nyo may konting noise. But, pag sinarado na natin siya, so, yan. So, wala na yung noise, kung napansin nyo. I don't know if rinig siya dito sa mic. And then, of course, high ceiling na din siya. So, nasa around 2.7 meters to 3 meters yung ceiling height natin. And this one is a one-bedroom unit, but it has a maid's room or utility area. And by the way, guys, at the back of your main door is the general main switch. So, andito siya lahat. And, of course, may provision na rin tayo for your internet. And this one is a video intercom. So if you have parcel or if you have visitors at the lobby, makikita nyo sila sa baba. Pero hindi nila kayo makikita. And of course, now, here is the access to your maid's room or utility area. This is where you can put your washing machine. And actually, if you have maid, for example, dalawa yung maids natin, so, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng double bunk bed. Dahil high ceiling naman siya. And take note guys, bali dito sa ating one-bedroom unit, we have 2 toilet and bath. So, we have here one on your maid's room. So, we have shower and toilet. And now, let's proceed to your bedroom area. So, by the way guys, the floor in your living area is made of ceramic tiles, and on your bedroom area is ceramic wood planks. Your television, so ideal, pwede niyo siyang ilagay dito. And then, on this side, you can put your sofa. And over here, yan, so right here, pwede dito yung inyong dining table. So, approximate is 3 to 4 seaters. And by the way, guys, included na rin yung ating aircon dito sa unit nyo. So, it's a split type aircon. So, this hallway is leading to your room area. So, let's go. So, here is your bedroom area. So, again, it's floor to ceiling glass. And you have access to the balcony. So, pag gising mo in the morning, ito yung bubungad sa'yo na view. And this unit is ideal especially for those na hindi nila gusto na sobrang taas nung kanilang unit. So, this unit is at 6th floor. Guys, hindi natin mabuksan yung balcony, but eto siya guys. Yan. So, malawak yung balcony nyo actually. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng like a small table and like, I think 2 chairs or 1 chair. And syempre yung compressor natin, since split type na siya, so located siya dito sa balcony. Yan. So, I think it can fit a queen size bed. Included na rin yung ating built-in cabinets. And, of course, your split type aircon. May ceiling na rin siya. So, actually, pwede nyo rin palitan yung ating mga ilaw or bulb. Like yung nabanggit ko kanina, we have 2 toilet and bath. So, andito yung ating another toilet and bath natin. So, this is the main toilet and bath. Of course, we have here your mirror, sink, and then we have your toilet and your shower. This one, if you want a full glass partition, pwede nyo siyang gawin dito. So, ito is half glass partition lang yung nakalagay sa kanya. And, yeah, that's it, guys. So, complete na rin yung sanitary fittings natin. And, yeah, so, actually, on the ground floor, meron din tayong lander. So, possible siya sa ground floor kung mag-grocery kayo. But kung malls, we have Uptown Mall is just 5 minutes walk from here. And of course, the Mitsukoshi Japanese Mall, I think 3 minutes walk from here. If you're looking for an investment or personal use, so this one is perfect for you. And especially kung mga like 3 to 5 members na kayo ng family nyo. And by the way, guys, we offer rent-to-own terms here at Uptown Park Suites. Just 10% down payment for you to move in and payable in 36 months. And if you prefer cash terms, we also give big discounts for cash terms for 25% discounts. For more details, just message me. And again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more condo tours. Thank you for watching. Bye!